Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's been a while I haven't talked about Jasmy. Now before we get into Jasmy, I just want to bring this to your attention that I'm starting actually to consider giving away almost a 15% monthly giveaway for signals totally free on Discord officially, because I think a lot of my members really deserve this. And also to talk about it, we started off with Bonk. You can see the buying details. The risk is pretty low, so you can actually try this and you can get an 11%, and then we're going to see about the next one. It could even be another 9%, which actually makes it 20%. Okay, so invitation link is in the comment. Just check the comment and you can enter for free. Now I do see, first of all, that the weekly time frame is making an inverted hammer, and it does look like this week alone we're about to see a green week at the moment. I'm not very sure it's going to be a full reversal back up, but we're going to talk about this as well. Now I'm going to shift into the daily and actually talk about it because it's important. And some of the people are going to say that it's a huge head and shoulders and we're about to go to the downside. For some reason, number one, I think we do have a trend line that is coming into play at the moment right now, and that is going to be something like this. Second of all is that if you go even lower into the 4-hour time frame, well, Jasmy is creating this little bit of divergence at the moment, and that can actually start to push the prices a little bit back to the upside. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this trend line, and I think there's a little bit of a wedge that is developing probably right over here. So yes, you're really falling down, so I'm just going to stretch the wedge a little bit longer, and I'm going to tell you the maximum time we're looking for things to consolidate. So you're not looking for like until 5th of November is the maximum time for this little bit of a wedge that is coming in to come up to a decision. I personally kind of think that maybe in October we should start to break above and then go back up, and actually go back up to this local high that you created back in back in June as well. So that's it for the very quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.